more news coming in this afternoon. Arvind Kejriwal has defended poisoned Yamuna remark. Arvind Kejriwal has replied to the Election Commission of India, saying that there is a conspiracy by the Haryana government. Remember, Arvind Kejriwal had to reply to the Election Commission of India by 11 o'clock this morning. He has defended his statements as far as the poisoned Yamuna river water is concerned, talking about the fact to the Election Commission that this is a conspiracy by the Haryana government. He's essentially replied to the Election Commission of India. We'll wait to hear about more details on what he said. Listen in to Arvind Kejriwal.
उनका मकसद था कि दिल्ली के अंदर आर्टिफिशियल वाटर स्कैसिटी क्रिएट हो जाएगी तो आम आदमी पार्टी के ऊपर इसका ठीकरा फोड़ा जाएगा कि आम आदमी पार्टी से पानी नहीं दिया जा रहा। 27 जनवरी को ये शोर किया और आज पानी 2.1 ppm आ गया। तो भाई साहब इन्हीं के हाथ में था सब कुछ, ये कर सकते थे। जानबूझ के अमोनिया बढ़ा रहे थे, जानबूझ के अब अमोनिया अपने आप कम हो गया और दिल्ली के लोगों को अब मिलने लग गया। अगर हम ये संघर्ष नहीं करते, ये शोर नहीं करते, तो आज दिल्ली के लोगों को 1 करोड़ लोगों को दिल्ली के अंदर पानी मिलना बंद हो गया होता अगर मैं शोर नहीं करता। आतिशी जी, मान साहब अगर शोर नहीं करते तो हमारे संघर्ष की वजह से ये पानी नीचे आया, एमोनिया का लेवल नीचे आया। ये साफ जाहिर करता है कि साजिशन ये पानी भारतीय जनता पार्टी की हरियाणा सरकार द्वारा दिल्ली के अंदर त्राही त्राही करने के लिए भेजा गया था। अगर उनका इस पे कंट्रोल नहीं होता तो ये अचानक पानी के अंदर पीपीएम बढ़ कैसे गया और अचानक ये पानी पीपीएम शोर करने पे पीपीएम घट कैसे गया।
All right, so now Arvind Kejriwal has said that the water levels have improved, is what he said, to summarize what he just told the press, saying that because of the kind of noise that we made, the water levels have significantly improved, and this is why the reason why we made so much noise about this. It was within their hands, and it was up to them to clean the water, and they've done it, is what he has said, talking about the fact that there was a conspiracy launched by the Haryana government just before the elections. Amit getting in more details on that story at this point in time. Amit, give us an idea about what is the detailed reply of Arvind Kejriwal to the Election Commission of India, to whom he had to reply by 11 o'clock today, isn't it?
Sneha, you know, Arvind Kejriwal has filed his response to the Election Commission of India, and he has responded to all 5 questions that were asked by the ECI over his claims of the Yamuna water being poisonous or poison being mixed by Haryana government in Yamuna water that is coming to the national capital. You know, while the pointed response is based on the Delhi Jal Board CEO's letter to the Delhi Chief Secretary, what is very important out here is that Aam Aadmi Party chief has declared an all-out war against CEC Rajiv Kumar. You know, while responding to the questions of Election Commission, he has actually used it as an opportunity to go all guns blazing against the current CEC Rajiv Kumar. And in fact, he has said that the ECI has ignored the corrupt practices that are being done by the Bharatiya Janata Party, and he has said the current ECI's conduct is something that needs to be looked in, as well as Arvind Kejriwal has claimed that the current CEC might also go down as somebody who tarnished the image and the faith, eroded the faith of people of this country in the Election Commission of India. So this is a mega war that has erupted over Yamuna ammonia water row. Arvind Kejriwal going all guns blazing against CEC Rajiv Kumar. Yesterday when I had asked Arvind Kejriwal this question about the Election Commission's notice to him, he had accused CEC Rajiv Kumar of having political ambitions and having aspirations of post-retirement posting, and today now he has put this into writing, so that makes this particular controversy even more big, because so far I do not recall an opportunity where an opposition leader in his response to the Election Commission of India has specifically targeted the CEC in this manner and fashion. The tone and the words that have been chosen by Arvind Kejriwal in his response are very strong. So we'll have to keep a watch as to how the Election Commission of India responds to these allegations and the direct aspersions that has been cast on CC Rajiv Kumar in a written letter by Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party, and whether the ECI will be responding or CC Rajiv Kumar will be responding to this particular allegation, or whether they are satisfied.
I'm just going to come back to you in a moment from now. In fact, Sardar RP Singh of the Bharatiya Janata Party is with us. How do you respond to what has now been said by Arvind Kejriwal that because of the noise that we made, the water has now been cleaned up? It was in their hands. It was इनके हाथ में था ही.
It's a typical urban Naxal style. You confront, take confrontation, and then become hero, and then try to take sympathy of the people. That's typical urban Naxal style, and that's what they're doing. When he is not answering who among the BJP, who in the state of Haryana has poisoned or added ammonia to the water. He had no answer to that. But to saying that offense is the best defense, so he's probably taking that. He thinks that probably if he can be offensive, so he can defend himself. But in fact, he has to still prove who has poisoned the water.
That's something that he's not been able to prove, and he's not given the answers, you say, to the Election Commission's specific questions. All right, the Bharatiya Janata Party there in response to what Arvind Kejriwal has now said.